Good morning. Today we will show you how to make Turkish coffee. To make Turkish coffee, you need warm water, cold water, a spoon, long, small, and a dole. A Turkish dole, which is coffee pot from Turkey. And you will need the coffee, which is Turkish coffee ground with cardamom, and 2 cups of Turkish coffee and a glass of empty glass of water. Okay, step 1, grab your dole, put it on the stove, grab your warm water and fill it up to this line. This will make approximately 2 cups of coffee. And then you boil it. Dun, 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 dun. Now we wait. I think it boils. Okay, be very careful now. When the water is about to boil, bubbles are starting to form, is when we want to start to put the coffee. We'll take, because if the water is boiling, it will burn the coffee. So we'll take generous spoons and just fill it up. 1, 2, 3,
Okay.
4. That's enough for now.
حطي قيمة هلا. حطي النار.
Now we'll reduce the fire.
Okay, that's enough.
And شو ساوي?
قيمة هلا شوي وحركها بالمعلقة.
Okay, now we'll take it off.
شوي خليها
gas.
بس هيك شوي.
It's good.
Yeah.
Stick the spoon all the way down and just swirl it a bit, mixing it. And if you can see, the foam up top is starting to form. Almost. As it's starting to boil.
Yeah.
And we don't want to mix everything.
Yeah.
Immediately?
Leave it until boiling.
As the water boils, it will boil and pull the coffee in. فيك ترجع لورا شوي تعمل زوم اوت. علي النار شوي.
شوي بس خليها هيك تتحرك. بس
Okay.
فورا حتغدرك على فكرة.
Okay, we increase the heat, but we have to be very careful because it will suddenly start bubbling. Okay. Say.
هو
لا واحد شوف. Okay, now you can see. بس طالع فوق انت ورجيهم. Okay, now it's starting to boil. We take it off the heat, bring it back. Oop.
حركها شوي فوق.
We'll mix it a bit up.
Yeah. بس من تحت من فوق. Yeah.
And as we go to the heat, starts to boil.
نوس النار.
Reduce the heat when it's like this.
حركها بالمعلقة من تحت.
Mix it from the bottom. Shoot.
That's it.
It's done?
Yeah.
And it's done. Ooh. Kill the fire?
Yeah.
Okay, now we want to pour. And as you can see up top is what we call the wish, the face of the coffee, the foamy bit. This is the most valuable part. And then you just pour the coffee.
كثير صعب عليك. Okay.
Okay.
This is the base. Coffee. Okay.
And now we grab our cold water. We fill up the glass. It has to be cold water. 1 glass. Even if you're serving 25 people and you have 25 cups, you have 1 glass. And then you make sure to close your coffee. صورني مع الغراض. Okay. Yeah. So this is the wish,
Yeah.
which is the face, and usually you would give this to the highest ranking guest, which is person you like most.
Mm-hmm.
And then
Yeah.
you take the tray, you get out of the kitchen. Don't show them
Okay.
the folder and the mess.
Bye.
Okay, now we get out of the kitchen.
Amanda.
Come.
And that's probably not even her real name. No, Panda. Panda?
And we're ready to serve our guests.
Panda. Jesus Christ, Tom, man, don't scare me like that. It's beautiful here.
تفضل.
You on that?
Mr.
Alright, man. Hey,
Amjad.
how's the TiVo working? It's good TiVo.
Thank you.
Sit down, sit down.
Nice to meet you. Knocked it up, though.
Nice.
How's the coffee?
Wallah, perfect. Thank you.
And have some date dessert.
Thank you.
Where have you moved on to? Another agency. With you. You are still my client, Tux Beeman. I'm getting the TiVo. Jacket's on, I'm out the door.
Thank you, Mr. Amjad, for the instructions, and Malik for presenting, and Amjad for filming. Subscribe.
Malik for coffee. Thank you. Subscribe and like.
Bye.
Goodbye.
Uh,
خلاص